Welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. This is Ashmita. Here we are solving an essay for today's video, and that is Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can. Now this is for the paper of IES, ISS General English. So we are going to solve it based on that it should be of 200 words. Alright. So how can we proceed with the topic? Here we have to write in 200 words, as I have already mentioned. Here you need to introduce the topic, provide a body to the topic, as well as conclude the topic. Okay. So let's begin by introducing the topic. What exactly is the meaning of this line given? Now the famous quote, as said by Martin Luther King Jr., it teaches us, like this is actually the quote which is given by Martin Luther King Jr. Alright. So this teaches us a valuable lesson that darkness, like hatred or violence, cannot overcome other darkness. Instead, light representing love, kindness, and understanding is the only force that can truly defeat this darkness. Alright. So fighting hate with hate only leads to more suffering and darkness. Alright. Using violence to overcome violence only creates a cycle of harm that will go on and on. Showing love and compassion to those consumed by darkness can transform them definitely. Because love conquers all. Then educating ourselves about the other's perspectives and experiences can definitely eradicate the fear and prejudice. So we need to understand the dispels fear. It should be like that. Then light illuminates the way, as you have heard it. So hope, forgiveness, kindness, these guide us out of darkness, illuminating a brighter path forward. So let us embrace light and love to overcome the darkness in our world and spreading hope and understanding for a brighter tomorrow. Okay, so this is how you can write the topic. You can explore the topic. That's it for today's video. If you want to solve questions like this with me from the previous year's papers, then you can just join our classes or follow these series. Or if you are preparing for any kind of government job exams or entrance exams, you can just join our classes. For that, you just need to go to the description box for all the details are given. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other